What if I do it in a stern? I never tried doing it in a stern before. We could try that. We're going to aim to bring the boat this side of the buoy and see if we drift on down to it. Problem is I need quite a few revs to get this turn on the river on a stern with this boat. So I need to start slowing down once I've got motion. But not so slow that the tide pushes me too early. So I can feel us being pushed now. Right, let's make our approach. Stop it there. Right, this is working. Success. Hey, it worked.